TCAS test. Pass.
Clear delivery, UPS 5771. Our parking position is Terminal 1, parking position 15 with the ATC request clearance.
UPS 5771, ATC clearance to KSDF via the AKU November Alpha 9er transition MLC departure runway 17 and then as filed climb to 10. Expect flight level 370 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 126.47, squawk 2541, altimeter 29.92.
Request runway 18 left, UPS 5771.
UPS 5771, ATC clearance to KSDF via the AKU November Alpha 9er transition MLC departure runway 18 left and then as filed climb to 11. Expect flight level 370 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 126.47, squawk 2541, altimeter 29.92.
Cleared to KSDF via the AKU November Alpha 9er transition MLC runway 18 left, climbing to 1000. Expect flight level 370 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.47, squawk 2541, altimeter 29.92, UPS 5771.
UPS 5771, read back correct, contact ground control on 121.85.
Roger, 121.85, UPS 5771.
Boarding requested.
Ground American 319er, request taxi.
American 319er, taxi via Kilo Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 17 right.
Via Kilo Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 17 right, American 319er.
Ground American 13905 is cleared of the runway. Request taxi to parking.
American 13905. Taxi via Quebec Papa Lima Zulu to gate Alpha 13.
Via Quebec Papa Lima Zulu to gate Alpha 13 American 13905. Ground American 2754 is cleared of the runway. Request taxi to parking.
American 2754. Taxi via Quebec Zulu to gate Alpha 10.
Via Quebec Zulu to gate Alpha 10 American 2754.
Ground Sky West 3271 is cleared of the runway. Request taxi to parking.
3271, taxi via Echo 5, Echo Foxtrot Golf to gate Bravo 6.
Via Echo 5 Echo Foxtrot Golf to gate Bravo 6 Sky West 3271. Ground American 1038 is cleared of the runway. Request taxi to parking.
American 1038, taxi via Echo 5 Foxtrot Golf to gate Charlie 1.
Via Echo 5 Foxtrot Golf to gate Charlie 31 American 1038.
United 280. Request startup and pushback.
United 280, startup is approved.
Approved. United 280. Ground Sky West 3296 is cleared off the runway. Request taxi to parking.
3296, taxi via Echo Foxtrot Golf to gate Bravo 5.
Via Echo Foxtrot Golf to gate Bravo 5 Sky West 3296.
Grant 507, request taxi.
507, taxi via Golf Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 18 left.
Via Golf Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 18 left 507.
Ground United 280. Request taxi.
United 280, taxi via Kilo Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 17 right.
Via Kilo Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 17 right. United 280.
Rock Spirit Wings 1856. Request taxi.
1856, taxi via Zulu Yankee Hotel Foxtrot Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 17 right.
Via Zulu Yankee Hotel Foxtrot Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 17 right. Spirit Wings 1856.
Ground, SkyWest 3037, clear the exit, request taxi to parking.
3037, taxi via Quebec Papa Mike Lima Kilo to gate Bravo 5.
We have Quebec Papa Mike Lima Kilo, but gate Bravo 5, SkyWest 3037.
Ground American 2663, request taxi.
American 2663, taxi via Golf Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 18 left.
Via Golf Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 18 left, American 2663.
Ground, SkyWest 3170 is cleared off the runway. Request taxi to parking.
3170, taxi via Echo Foxtrot Golf Yankee Zulu to gate
Passengers
Bravo
bus is
9er.
coming.
By Echo Foxtrot Golf Yankee Zulu to gate Bravo 39er SkyWest 3170.
Ground Envoy 3588 is cleared off the runway. Request taxi to parking.
3588, taxi via Quebec 4 Quebec Papa Mike Lima Kilo Zulu Golf to gate Bravo 15.
By Quebec 4 Quebec Papa Mike Lima Kilo Zulu Golf to gate Bravo 15 Envoy 3588.
Passengers boarding started.
Ground, American 2046, request taxi.
American 2046, taxi via Kilo Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 17 right.
Via Kilo Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 17 right, American 2046.
Ground 621, cleared off runway 18 right.
621, taxi via Echo to parking position 3.
Via Echo, 2 parking spot 23, 621.
Ground 3879er, request taxi.
3879er, taxi via Quebec Papa 9 Lima Kilo Zulu Golf to gate Bravo 15.
Via Quebec Papa Mike Lima Kilo Zulu Golf to gate Bravo 153879er.
Good morning.
Ground American 2195 is clear of the runway, request taxi to parking.
American 2195, taxi via Whiskey Kilo to gate Charlie 7.
By Whiskey Kilo to gate Charlie 27, American 21.
Ground UPS 5771. Request start up and pushback.
Order 5771. Startup is approved.
Approved. UPS 5771.
American 1768 is cleared off the runway. Request taxi to parking.
American 1768, taxi via Quebec Papa Bravo Golf to gate Delta 7.
Via Quebec Papa Bravo Golf to gate Delta 27. American 1768.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback.
Ground American 1825. Request taxi.
American 1825, taxi via Kilo Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 17 right.
Via Kilo Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 17 right. American 1825.
Ground American 2792 is cleared of the runway, request taxi to parking.
American 2792, taxi via Echo 1 Foxtrot Golf to gate Charlie 17.
Via Echo 1 Foxtrot Golf to gate Charlie 17, American 2792.
Ground American 1672, request taxi.
American 1672, taxi via Golf Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 18 left.
Via Golf Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 18 left. American 1672.
Locking gear. Release parking brakes, please. Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at will.
American 2581, request taxi.
American 2581, taxi via Kilo Whiskey Foxtrot to runway
Waiting your confirmation for a good
Yes,
engine
Kilo
start.
Whiskey Foxtrot at runway 17 right, American 2581.
Ground, Blue Streak, 5157 is cleared of the runway. Request taxi to parking.
5157, taxi via Quebec Papa Mike Lima Kilo Yankee to gate Bravo 11.
Via Quebec Papa Mike Lima Kilo Yankee to gate Bravo 11, Blue Streak, 5157.
Ground, American 2335 is cleared off the runway. Request taxi to parking.
American 2335, taxi via Whiskey Kilo Foxtrot Golf to gate Delta 18.
By Whiskey Kilo Foxtrot Golf to gate Delta 18, American 2335. Ground, Envoy 3465 is cleared off the runway. Request taxi to parking.
3465, taxi via Echo Foxtrot Golf to gate Bravo 9.
By Echo Foxtrot Golf to gate Bravo 9, Envoy 3465.
Cockpit to ground. We have a good engine start. You can disconnect.
Unlocking gear. Ground, American 1281 is cleared of the runway. Request taxi to parking.
American 1281, taxi via Quebec Papa Bravo Golf to gate Delta.
Via Quebec Papa Bravo Golf to gate Delta 20. American 1281.
Ground, Spirit Wing 2701, request taxi.
2701, taxi via Zulu Yankee Hotel Foxtrot Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 18 left.
Via Zulu Yankee Hotel Foxtrot Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 18 left. Spirit Wing 2701.
Ground, UPS 5771, request taxi.
5771, taxi via Charlie 2 Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 18 left.
Via Charlie 2 Whiskey Foxtrot to runway 18 left, UPS 5771.
Now we have to your destination to the forward cabin to the TV monitors for a brief report safety message. About open. The passengers turn on the fasten seatbelt sign if you haven't already done so. We request that you store your luggage and take your seats so we can have an on-time departure. For those passengers seated in a designated exit row, you may be called upon to open that exit in the event of emergency. Please refer to the safety briefing card of the exit row information card located in the seat back pocket. To ensure you meet the exit row criteria and understand the information. After carefully reviewing this card, if you believe you could be issued to
American 1597, taxi via Quebec Papa Bravo Golf to gate Delta.
Alright, we'll take the 5 Bravo, come to gate Delta 20, American 1597.
passengers on board today, please refer to the Once Before section of your My magazine. Thank you for your attention.
Tower Delta 1515 on final request landing. Runway 17 left.
Delta 1515, clear to land, runway 17 left. Altimeter 29.92.
Clear to land, runway 17 left, final approach speed. Altimeter 29.92. Delta 1515.
UTS 5771, wind 353 at 2, runway 18 left, cleared for takeoff. Runway 18 left, cleared for takeoff. UPS 5771. UTS 5771, contact departure on 126.47. 126.47, UPS 5771. Departure UPS 5771, passing 1,600 for 1,000. UPS 5771, radar contact. Continued via the AKU November Alpha 9 transition MLC departure route. Climb to 1,000. Via the AKU November Alpha 9 transition MLC departure. Climb to 1,000. UPS 5771.
Departure southwest 10, with you passing 8,300 for 4,000. Southwest 10, identified, descend to 4,000. Descending to 4,000, southwest 10. Southwest 10, maintain present altitude. Maintain present altitude, southwest 10.
Indianapolis Center, American 1285 at flight level 370.
American 1285 identified. UPS 5771. Clear NBE Lima 5 arrival route. Expect access to ILS. Approach runway 17 left.
MBE Lima 5 expect vectors for ILS approach runway 17 left. UPS 5771.
UPS 5771. Reduce speed to 280 knots.
Slowing down to 280. UPS 5771.
UPS 5771. Descent to 15,000. Altimeter to 9.92.
Descend into 15,000 altimeter to 9.92. UPS 5771.
5771, turn right heading 040, descend to 2,500.
Right turn to heading 040, descending to 2,500, UPS 5771.
Approach Wisconsin 6217, passing 8,200 for 4,000.
Wisconsin 6217, identified, descend to 4,000.
Descending to 4,000, Wisconsin 6217.
UPS 5771, turn right heading 085.
Right turn to heading 085, UPS 5771. Say again. UPS 5771.
UPS 5771, turn right heading 180.
Right turn to heading 180. UPS 5771.
UPS 5771, turn right heading 180.
Right turn to heading 180. UPS 5771.
UPS 5771, turn right heading 180. Clear ILS, approach runway 17 left.
Right turn to heading 180.
ILS.
Approach runway 17 left. UPS 5771.
Wisconsin 6217, contact tower on 124.2.
124.2, Wisconsin 6217.
2,500.
UPS 5771, clear to intercept final. Approach tower, frequency is 124.2.
Final approach speed. Tower 124.2. UPS 5771.
Wisconsin 6217, contact tower on 124.2.
124.2, Wisconsin 6217.
Tower, UPS 5771. On final, runway 17 left.
UPS 5771. Slow to final approach speed. Altimeter 29.92. Clear to land runway 17 left.
Final approach speed. Altimeter 29.92. Clear to land runway 17 left. UPS 5771.
Minimums. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
UPS 5771. Gate is right. Contact ground on 121.7.
121.7. UPS 5771. Ground, UPS 5771 is cleared off the runway. Request taxi for parking.
UPS 5771. Taxi V Delta 2, Uniform Papa Sierra 6, Uniform Papa Sierra 4, Uniform Papa Sierra 3. To Terminal 1, Gate Charlie 8.
Via Delta 2, Uniform Papa Sierra 6, Uniform Papa Sierra 4, Uniform Papa Sierra 3. Terminal 1, Gate Charlie 8, UPS 5771.
Extra care should be taken when opening the overhead business. Heavy articles may have shifted during our flight. On behalf of your entire flight, please send our flight serving you this morning. Have a pleasant day.
ground 4086. Request taxi 4086. Taxi via Juliet Bravo Alpha 8 to runway 17 right via Juliet Bravo Alpha 8 to runway 17 right 4086.